Last time on Sailing Doodles, we visited a volcanic lake and were attacked by monkeys. This time we put Laura up the mast and we have an absolutely beautiful dive. Follow along on our journey as we sail from Canada to Thailand, and please consider becoming a patron at patreon.com/sailingdoodles. We were still on the eastern side of Indonesia on the island of Flores. In this episode, we sail from Maumere over to Rayong and then around the corner to Komodo National Park. Rayong is a small town that caters mostly to backpackers and eco-tourists. But there is also a small amount of fishing. This is actually a squid boat. They lift up the nets and that's how they catch the squid. Safely anchored, we packed up and went ashore to explore. Most docks in this part of the world aren't really made for dinghies, so it can be a bit tricky. The restaurant had scooters for rent, so we decided to take a couple of them around town.
All right, so Ian was nice enough to take us out here.
Hello.
His brother owns the restaurant. So
Yeah.
What is this place we're going to now?
Watumitong.
Watumitong.
Yeah, or Blackstone.
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 Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, come on.
All right.
Well, then you're...
Yeah. Get more black. My skin.
Me too. It's dry here.
Yeah.
See the fall colors?
Well, the Spark, I believe, is officially dead. I wanted to fly it around here. It's a pretty cool spot, but it's saying ECS failure number 4, which is the motor that broke. No longer working, so. Just down to the Phantom now, Phantom 4.
As the sun started getting lower in the horizon, we headed back to the boat because we wanted to be gone before dark. Just after dawn, we made it to our next anchorage. In the national park, there's no anchoring allowed, there's only mooring balls, and there really aren't that many of them.
All right, we're here off of Komodo. Actually, Komodo is the bigger island just over the way, but we're kind of nearby. We came over here to check out this resort that we're gonna go check out now because I asked them about diving, but literally all their dive boats, including the one that's tied up to the back of us right now, all their dive boats came here where we're anchored for their first morning dive, and we've seen them diving all around the boat. So we're just gonna go check out the resort, and then we're gonna come back here and dive on our own, not have to pay anybody. Maybe we'll pay the resort to fill our tanks after, so.
Yay! Yay! We have our own personal dive masters.
That's right.
So.
This is the Komodo Resort and Dive Center. It looks pretty cool. We'll check this out, see if they can fill our tanks, maybe dive with them or something, I don't know.
I'm in my zone, can't fail. Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I've got that fire inside, lighting up my heart.
These are all liveaboard cruising and dive boats that most people rent by the week.
No looking back, heaven knows It's time to get up and go. Life passing by, can't go slow. No, no. We ride it once, then we're done.
Perfect.
We are definitely coming back here later. Well, we are gonna go dive off our own boat real quick and then come back here, do dinner. Now that, after we dive here, we're gonna come back and there's hiking trails and stuff here. It's a pretty cool spot. We're looking forward to it.
Super pretty. Now, if they just had a hedgehog.
Daniela is a dive master, so she got us ready to dive off the back of our own boat.
That's really crazy. Like, we got 4 boats tied to us.
After the dive, we loaded up our tanks because the resort had agreed to fill them for us. It was a very chill and beautiful place. We quickly made new friends and hung out well into the night.
My fault this time. I put the bag up, I put my phone in that bag and a little bit more weight to put it up the mast so we could get better service, so I could upload some stuff, and now it won't come back down. I should have known better. Normally I attach another line to it, but I thought the bag would be heavy enough, so. Laura!
Don't leave me up there, Bobby.
It's a great idea. Then we can go to the next place and just leave you up there for, like, that'd be awesome.
No.
As we were getting ready to go, we were visited by a different kind of traveling salesman.
Open.
Okay.
This is nice, yeah?
Yeah. Shopping coming to your boat? This is awesome. Awesome. Ha, Bobby, and you thought you were gonna have to get me any more pearls?
Tune in next episode as we play with some Komodo dragons and...
Next stop, Bali.
Thank you again to all our patrons for making this possible. And please consider checking out our new channel. It's called Flying Doodles, where we interview aircraft owners and take a new one up every week.